Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the Sales Cloud Consultant exam syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how the exam is weighted. The exam is divided into focused domains with exact percentage weights to guide your study plan. The largest domain is application of product knowledge at 18%, followed by implementation strategies 13%, sales practices 11%, account and contact management 11%, opportunity management 10%, sales productivity and integration 9%, and then lead management, consulting practices, sales metrics reports and dashboards, and data management each at 7%. Application of product knowledge is weighted at 18% and focuses on leveraging Sales Cloud features to solve business requirements. This is a hard, scenario-based domain with about 12 hours of study recommended. You will learn to explain core Sales Cloud product features, choose the right features for business use cases, and distinguish standard automation from custom solutions. Important tasks include assessing multi-currency impacts, deciding between opportunity teams and account teams, and configuring products, price books, product schedules, quote templates and quote syncing. Implementation strategies accounts for 13% and focuses on successful deployment and project management methodologies. This hard domain is scenario-based and typically requires around 10 hours of study. You will determine the appropriate implementation methodology, manage project scope and resources, and plan environment strategies such as sandbox and production usage. Discovery and design skills include analyzing requirements for feasibility, documenting technical and process maps, prioritizing based on business value, and defining success metrics. Sales practices is 11% and concentrates on standardizing sales processes and addressing common business challenges. This medium difficulty domain mixes conceptual and scenario-based assessment and needs about 8 hours of study. You will learn to design a standard sales process tailored to different industries and map business requirements to Sales Cloud standard objects. The domain also covers differentiating sales methodologies and analyzing key sales performance indicators to improve outcomes. Account and contact management also carries 11% and teaches how to structure relationships between customers and organizations. This medium difficulty area combines hands-on and conceptual tasks with around 7 hours of study recommended. You will configure account hierarchies, explain the role of contact roles in opportunities, and implement person accounts for B2C requirements. You will also define account teams and sharing strategies and understand automated account fields and social account integration. Opportunity management is 10% and focuses on managing the sales pipeline and forecasting revenue accurately. This hard and scenario-based domain typically requires about 9 hours of study. You will configure collaborative forecasting, set up opportunity stages and probabilities, and manage pipeline inspection and deal health. Important topics include implementing big deal alerts, using update reminders, and analyzing the revenue impact of opportunity splits. Sales productivity and integration is 9% and covers tools and connectivity that boost sales efficiency. This medium difficulty area blends conceptual understanding with scenario-based work and needs roughly 6 hours of study. You will implement Einstein activity capture for emails and calendars, configure Salesforce maps for territory planning, and enable Slack integration for Sales Cloud. The domain also compares Outlook and Gmail integrations and explains the benefits of high-velocity sales for sales engagement. Lead management is 7% and focuses on qualifying prospects and the lead conversion process. This medium domain is hands-on and conceptual with around 5 hours of study time. You will design lead qualification flows, explain lead mapping for standard and custom fields, and configure assignment and auto-response rules. The syllabus also covers lead scoring, including Einstein lead scoring, and tracking lead sources and campaign influence. Consulting practices is 7% and emphasizes stakeholder management and delivering business solutions. This medium difficulty, scenario-based domain requires about 5 hours of study. You will learn to run discovery workshops, identify and mitigate project risks, and demonstrate professional consulting behaviors. The domain also covers validating solutions against customer success criteria and managing expectations and communication plans. Sales metrics, reports, and dashboards is 7% and teaches how to analyze sales data to produce actionable insights. This medium hands-on domain requires roughly 5 hours of study. You will create reports to track key sales metrics and configure reporting snapshots to capture historical trends. The syllabus also covers designing dashboards for different sales personas, selecting the right report types, and enabling opportunity history reporting. Data management is 7% and focuses on ensuring data integrity and planning migrations for Sales Cloud. This medium conceptual and scenario-based domain typically needs about 5 hours of study. You will learn strategies to maintain data quality, choose the right migration tools such as Data Loader or the Import Wizard, and implement duplicate management rules. You will also plan data migration sequences and apply cleansing and enrichment techniques to preserve reliable sales data. That concludes the syllabus overview for the Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant exam. Use the domain weights to prioritize your study time, focus on scenario-based practice, and review the highlighted topics in each area to build confidence before the exam.